Don't drag me down, don't hold me back, don't stop me now. I'm tired of you bouncing me around. This bird has gotta fly, got to fly free. Don't keep me down, don't hold me back, got to burn. Yeah.
Finish with my woman, cause she could not help me with my life. People think I'm insane because I am frowning all the time. All day long I think of things, but nothing seems to satisfy. Think I'll lose my mind if I can't find something to pacify. Can you help me occupy my brain? Oh yeah. I need someone to show me the things in life that